Hi everyone, this is Faye with Relax and Scrap. Thanks for stopping by. I am here to do share some projects that I've made. I made 2 birthday cards and a pocketbook. So I will go ahead and get started and start showing you the items that I used. I used these strip sentiment dies by My Creative Time. I use My Creative Time money holder die. I just used the happy birthday. I use Elizabeth Craft Designs. I use Get Your Happy On. I use My Favorite Things, the U, and the Happy Birthday 2. I use the stamp and I use the die that goes with that. I use Anna Griffin paper, black floral paper pad. And I also use this die right here, which is Live Every Moment Keepsake Wallet Creator Die Set. And that's what it looks like on the back. So the cards that I made, I followed, I think her name is Nicole Spur, S-P-O-H-R. I think she works with Spellbinders. Oh, that's it. I didn't take it out, but I used my Spellbinders card kit. I'm not sure about the month. I think it's March or April. It was like night out. So I followed her tutorial and I did made this card right here. And I layered that happy birthday with the black and silver. I made the dress out of black cardstock and put a silver bow on it and some bling, and I popped it up. But this is the papers that came out of the kit, and I already addressed it. So that is Get Your Happy On, and I just put a strip of the paper on the side. So that is the first card I made. She made the same layout, but she had a flower right here, and instead of the flower, I put the dress. And then I made this card as well. She also had this layout. I put some stickles on the sides, different places. I stickled the inside of the bow. She had different words going down, and I just put the happy birthday to, and that's where I put the U. So that is my 2 cards. And then for the pocketbook, actually that was supposed to make a mini album, but when I was making the album, I noticed I couldn't find a tutorial, so I was struggling with how to put it together. So once I got it to this point, I was talking with my friend and showing it to her, and we did not know how to do the album, or I just didn't want to take the time to figure out. And when it structured like this, she said, oh, that'd be a cute purse. I said, you're right. So that's what I did. I made the sides on it. I just filled it in with the sides. Put this chain from my stash, and to hold the chain in, what I did, I took some beads and put the jewelry wire through there and through here. Then I made some reinforcers to go around the edges, the bottom of the wire, just to give it a little bit more stability. And I think it came out very cute. This was a button that I had in my stash. I magnetized it and just punched out some circles to that paper and put it there. So I did not cover the back. It's pretty deep too. Let me see if I can get my ruler out and give you the measurements. It is 8 inches wide and about 4 1/4 high, and yeah, 4 1/4 deep. Oh, this way. That's what I was doing. About 1 1/2 inches thickness wise. So I was glad to be able to use that die in a different way than what it was created for, because like I said, it's for albums. But to be able to create a purse out of it, I thought that was very unique. And I'm glad my friend suggested it. So y'all, please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for stopping by.